How to remove check-in on Facebook. So I have in here this particular post and I have posted it just now. And I have check-in at the New Zealand Alps. So if you want to remove the check-in, which is right here on the location, click right here on the three dots and then click on this edit post. Once you have done that, you can see this red icon right here that has a pin location. So head over and then click on that in here. Once you have clicked on that, you can see this currently selected, place it. So you can head over and then X or remove that place right here. And then as you can see, it's been removed. So you can head over and click on the save icon right here in order to save it. So once it's been saved, you can head over and then refresh it. And then you can see it right here on your actual profile info right here. And as you can see, we have now removed that particular check-in onto our post. So that's how you remove check-in on Facebook. Hope we help.